Replacing an employee on a shift ensures that operations continue smoothly without disruptions, maintaining productivity and meeting organizational goals. This feature is particularly useful in situations such as sudden employee absences due to illness, emergencies, or scheduling conflicts. It allows HR to swiftly address gaps in the workforce, ensuring that every shift is adequately staffed. To replace an employee on a shift in MetaCenter V3, navigate to the Human Resource module and select Scheduling. This opens the scheduling calendar, where you can view and manage all assigned shifts. Locate the specific shift of the employee you want to replace and click on it. In the pop-up window, select the Replace option. A new window will appear, displaying a list of available employees for your selection. If the list is extensive, use the search bar to quickly locate the replacement employee. Once identified, click on the Select button at the end of the employee's name. The system will update the shift accordingly, and a confirmation notification will appear to indicate that the replacement was successful. Additionally, if necessary, you can remove an employee from a shift entirely without assigning a replacement. Simply locate the specific shift of the employee you want to replace and click on the employee's name. In the pop-up window, select Clear. This option provides flexibility in managing schedules, ensuring that shifts can be adjusted dynamically based on operational needs.